Hey, welcome back, all you Hot Wheel lovers. Welcome back to 164 Scale Racing. Figured I'd show you this little action pack I picked up this morning from a guy that lives close by, called the Home Improvement. Got the 33 Ford convertible. You got old Al standing there. Tim the Tool Man, he's supposed to be riding on the lawnmower, but he fell off. Guess it had too much power for him. It's called the Dixie Chopper. Anyway, it was a sitcom that aired on ABC from 1991 to 1999. It's tool time. Tim the Tool Man. It's got other sets on there. It's from 1996. Anyway, I thought it'd be something good to add to my collection. Anyway, I appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe, please. Check out my other videos of 164 Scale Racing. We'll see you guys later. Bye.